Today let me introduce you this juice filling line in our factory. You can see this is the juice filling line. And this is the first machine. It's the you can put the empty bottle on this machine, and then it will rotate to put the bottle in the next machine. And after the bottle put there, this is the washing machine for bottles. The bottles will this is also a rotate. Will lift the bottles, and then you can use the water to wash the bottles. So after the washing the bottles, now we go to next machine. You can see this is the filling machine. You can see there are two filling tubes into this machine. And for this part, we can add the mixing function to use the different kind of juice, such as tomato paste, apple juice, or ginger juice, and later, and many other juice or paste. So after filling, let's check the next machine. You can see after we filling the juice into the bottle, then you can use this tapping machine to tap the bottles. Here, you need to put the caps into this part, and then the caps will forward through this tube into this machine. And to here, this will caps the bottles. So after caps the bottles, and then we can go to next machine. This is the labeling machine. You can see here. We can put the lab into here, and when the bottles come here, and then this is the label will come here to label on the bottles. And then after we label the bottle, this is the last machine. The finished bottles will collect here, collecting the packaging machine. So you can see there are 7 machines in this processing line. If you need any juice to be filling, you can use this filling line.